चलो से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में। और Q3 रिजल्ट 2026 IndiGo, Bandhan Bank to Coforge 58 companies to declare earning today section list. Q3 result 2026, the major company that will announce that their Q3 result today include Adani Total Gas, Adani Energy Solutions, Aditya, Birla, Sun Life, AMC, Bandhan Bank, Coforge, Cyient, DLF, Ideaforge Technologies, Indian Bank, Interglobe Aviation, Ujjivan Finance Small Bank, and Jidavoli. Q3 result 2026, more than 50 Indian companies are set to announce their Q3 result today. Q3 result 2026, over 50 Indian companies are set to announce their Q3 result today. Based on the result calendar from NSE and BSE, up to 58 companies will report their financial earnings for the third quarter of financial year 2026 today, 22 January 2026. The major companies that will announce their Q3 result today include Adani Total Gas, Adani Energy Solutions, Aditya, Birla, Sun Life, AMC, APL, Apollo, Tubes, Bandhan Bank, Coforge, Client, DLF, Ideaforge Technologies, Indian Bank, Interglobe Aviation, Premier Energies, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, Janser Technologies, and G Entertainment Enterprise. Additionally, go visit General Insurance, Gujarat State Petronet, LE, Travinas Technology, IXIGO, Amphix, Soroda Small Finance Bank, Sigmen International, TTK, Healthcare, and VMart Retail, among others, will also declare their Q3 result today. Here are Q3 result preview of some of the major companies. IndiGo Q3 result preview. Interglobe Aviation, the operator of the IndiGo Airlines, is expected to post adjusted net profit of ₹2,121 crore in Q3 financial year 2026, down 45.7% from 3,905 crore in the year-ago period. According to estimate by Ilera Capital, IndiGo revenue is estimated to grow 3% to 22,784 crore from 22,111 crore year-on-year. EBITDA is expected to decline 18% YoY to 5,447 crore on lower airfare and higher operational costs. The brokerage firm expected PLF at 86% in Q3 financial year 2026, as against 87% in Q3 financial year 2025. Forex loss is likely to be at 1,200 crore.